Good morning. Are you all right, guys? Yesterday, lots of you emailed your work and you were really aiming high, but we didn't hear from as many of you as I would have liked. There's quite a lot of children who've not emailed their Monday's work, so it's not too late. We'd like you to email your work from yesterday today if possible. Fantastic work if you did all of your lessons yesterday and you emailed us all 4 things. You've got some house points in your reply, and if you've got a little bit stuck with something, or if you've not quite understood something, I sometimes give you a little comment in your reply, so make sure your parents are reading whatever it is that I've sent back, just so you know if you need to just check over something again. Okay, 4 lessons again today. It's Tuesday the 6th of July and I am going to start with maths. I've got it here on the laptop, so I'm just going to remind myself. Right, the first few slides on the maths are yesterday's answers, so you can mark your work from yesterday. And then today you are looking at finding fractions equivalent to half. So this is called equivalent fractions. And equivalent basically means the same amount. So there's a video to watch today, and then there are just 6 questions that you need to answer. It's not loads of learning, but it's quite difficult to understand, and we'll be building on this week. If you finish and you want to be doing some more maths, don't forget that you can log into Times Tables Rockstars at home and practice your times tables and build up your points and get yourself some more outfits and things on there. So Times Tables Rockstars is a fab thing to be doing whilst you're at home to keep you busy. Okay, we have got reading today. Reading is another type of poem. Today it's shape poems, sometimes known as calligrams. Really nice type of poetry. Have a look at the slides, and then your task at the end is to have a go at creating some calligrams. That's when a word says the word and looks a little bit like the word it says. So for example, the word hot might have flames around it, or it might be written in orange, red and yellow, so it looks like it's hot. Okay, then I'm going to have a quick look at the English. Yes, so today you're thinking back to the trip from last week and you're thinking about our journey on the train. Now today in English you're going to find out that we need to write some letters to help save the train. You'll find out why in the slides. There's a video message today from Vic Small, who's the Health and Safety Officer at Lytham St Anne's Miniature Railway. It's important that you watch the video, so make sure your device is in present mode. You need to press that little triangle if you're on a phone or iPad, or the present tab if you're on a laptop, so that you can watch the video. And then your task in English is to do a mind map. And I've done an example of one on one of the last slides. So have a look at mine, but don't copy it. Put your own ideas and your own words on. And then finally today, it's a project lesson, and it's looking at Lytham St Anne's in the past and then thinking about how it's changed. And we did this a few weeks ago for Manchester, and we saw that Manchester had really changed because there was an increase in transport, buildings, lots more businesses and schools. Some of the green space had gone and had been built on. You're going to have a look at Lytham St Anne's, some photographs from the past and from now, and do a comparison. And your task at the end of the project lesson is to write some sentences, the start of the sentences on the slides, and you just need to finish the sentences with your own words. Okay, if you want to draw a little picture to go with that, you can do. Maybe something that you remember that we saw in Lytham St Anne's when we went on the trip. Okay, keep aiming high, work really hard, do your best. I can't wait to receive your emails. Just a reminder that if you haven't already had one, you need to have a PCR coronavirus test. That's not the literal lateral flow ones. It's not these ones that come in these blue boxes that you just get a little test strip for. It's not this type of test. It's the one where you have to go to a test centre and they send it off and they'll text you and email you with your results. It's really important that if you're isolating, you have one of those tests. It doesn't take long, it's dead quick. And if you can't get to a test centre, you can order one online and they will post it to your house. You just put it in the post box and then you get your result within 24 hours at the moment, so it's quite quick. Okay, 3BG, make me proud, send me lots of work. Don't forget to have some little active brain breaks in between. Drink lots of water, 2 bottles a day. Try and eat some fruit and veg and run up and down the stairs if it's raining. Just do something a little bit active. Okay, take care. I look forward to hearing from you and I'll see you online tomorrow.